Today we're going to install this mortise lock, and it's going to go into this pocket door. With these mortise locks, with the Emtek, they give you this thing called the drive bar. So when this part is in, it's going to be like this. You see how it has that little groove? This part is going to go into the groove, and that's done with this screw here. To get it going, and then once it's going, then I can put this tool in here and tighten it. And that's at the 12 o'clock position. When you back it off, that actually tightens it. You see how, as I back it off, that metal piece goes into the slot. This at 36 inches. With the door braced there on each side, I'll be able to set up my rig. When it's finished, this plate is going to go over here. And this cover plate is the exact same size as this. So I just put it on the door centered, and then I trace it. And the first thing I'll do is make a mortise cut. Has to be the depth of the plate of the lock and the finish plate. Set your router to that, and then route out this entire piece. Now the first cut, I just go right down the middle, and then what I'll do is I'll just work along this edge a little at a time till I get to the blue tape. So now with that done, I'll just clean up these corners with the chisel, and we'll test fit it. And it fits perfectly. You're not going to cut out this entire section. You're only cutting out a hole for the body. So I mark lines right here, just below that hole. So as a reminder, see, our body is going between those lines. So I've got my jig clamped to the door, and it's centered here. I just eye it up, and now we'll get this thing set up. So my cutter just screws into the end of this shaft. So once I have my cutter centered right over that hole, then I crank these down. See that my cutter goes right to the line. I put my cutter against the wood there, and then I slide this collar on the shaft, and then I just rest the lock up against this part. So now I know when this collar hits this, I've gone deep enough. I simply attach my drill to this and start drilling. You see, I have to hold the end of it very carefully because this thing can get away from you. I've got to go very slow and steady and make very shallow cuts. I just start off with an easy test. I go about an 1/8 inch deep, and then while keeping that 1/8 inch deep, just pull the cutter down all the way and just check and see. I'm right at my line there, and we're looking good down there as well. So I'll just keep going a little bit deeper each time. All the way up and down, in and out. Make sure everything's clean. I look inside, I vacuum it, make sure I haven't missed any spots. And then I don't take the rig apart. I just unclamp it and set it aside. Perfect. The instructions can get complicated and distracting. Just transfer whatever measurements are necessary. Hold the lock up against there and just see if it makes sense. Obviously, you need a hole here, you need a hole here. I like to mask off the area I'm cutting. With the tape, I can cut right through the tape, and I go a little bit at a time, and I'm going to make a nice hole here, just like the diagram indicates. Now insert the lock body, do a test fit, make sure everything is moving freely. Can't have anything sticking, binding, rubbing. That's no good. Once it's positioned properly and everything is working easily, I tighten the screws here on the faceplate. Those go into the wood of the door. With that working, it's time to work on the strike plate. I make a mark on each side of the door, and I make a mark at the top and bottom of the locking mechanism. Now I extend the hook. See, I have a little mark at the top of that hook and a little mark at the bottom of that hook. That's where that thing is going into the wall. So I transfer those marks to the jamb, and I know that's where I have to make the hole deep enough to accept that thing. Drill out that area with a 1/2 inch spade bit. Then I use the chisel to clean it up, and finally the router. Then I cut a mortise for the strike plate right over the hole just made. Now we can test the lock again.
push it against there, give it a twist, it engages. Perfect.